Hi everyone, I have a story I would like to share with you today, and the title is called My Teacher is a Monster. And the author's name is Peter Brown. My teacher is a monster. My teacher is a monster. No, I'm not. Bobby had a big problem at school. Her name was Miss Kirby. Robert! Move it or lose it, Miss Kirby stomped. Settle down, Miss Kirby roared. No recess for children who throw paper airplanes in class. Miss Kirby was a monster. Bobby spent his free time in the park trying to forget his teacher problems. But one Saturday morning, on the way to his favorite spot, Bobby found a terrible surprise. Uh-oh. I see Miss Kirby. Bobby wanted to run. He wanted to hide, but he knew that would only make things worse. Robert, you don't need to raise your hand out here. What were you going to say? I was going to say, hello, Miss Kirby. Hello, Robert. I like your enormous hat, Miss Kirby. Thank you, Robert. Miss Kirby, it's really strange seeing you outside of school. I agree. There was an awkward silence. Then a gust of wind changed everything. That's my favorite hat. My dear old granny gave it to me. Don't let it get away. Got it. Oh, Bobby, you are my hero. That was very good of you, Robert. You're welcome, Miss Kirby. Quack. Those ducks sure like you. Quack, quack. They know I enjoy quacking with them. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. When they were all quacked out, Bobby had an idea. You should see my favorite spot in the park. Be careful. Yes, Miss Kirby. This is lovely. And then Miss Kirby had an idea. Do you see her idea? Bobby tossed his paper airplane into the sky. And it flew. And it flew. And it flew. I think that was the single greatest paper airplane flight in history. I think you're right. By lunchtime, Bobby and Miss Kirby were happy they had bumped into each other. But they were ready to say goodbye. See you Monday, Bobby. Bye, Miss Kirby. Coming through! Back at school, Miss Kirby still stomped. And then the bear said, "Roar!" Miss Kirby still roared. Great job, Bobby. But was Miss Kirby still a monster? Robert! The end. And that is the end of My Teacher is a Monster. I hope you don't think your teacher is a monster. Hope you liked it, everyone. See you later.